Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you subscribe before you leave. So today in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick little natural hairstyle on my daughter who's 5. She has natural hair. In the past, I've done natural hair videos on her. I think I've done like wash and goes and like wash routines and things like that. I don't think I've ever done like a natural, just a hairstyle video. So disclaimer, I'm not the best hairstylist at all. I do very basic, simple things on her hair because her hair is super thick, really curly. She's tender-headed, so I just can't do much on her hair anyway because she doesn't really want to be bothered. So this is just really quick and easy. If you're looking for something like super, you know, like extravagant or just a lot to it, you're probably not gonna find that over here. But anyways, I hope this video is helpful for like anyone who just, you know, needs a quick natural hairstyle. But really quick, I just want to let you guys know this video is in collab with Jasmine from J.Lattimore Vlogs. We met on Instagram about maybe a couple months ago. We've just been talking ever since. Let's get her to 30,000 subscribers, guys. She is almost there. She is killing it right now. So I will link all of her information down below, and her Instagram. Her Instagram is so pretty, like it's beautiful. Like she's got like this nice aesthetic thing going on right now and it looks really pretty. She's a single mom of 2 children, Zarian and Zoe, and they are just the cutest little kids ever. So she's going to be doing a natural hairstyle on her daughter as well in her video. And she just graduated nursing school, so she is just, she's doing it right now. Okay, I'm so proud of her. So I was just really happy that she wanted to do this collab with me. She's just so humble. She's almost at 30,000 subscribers. I'm not even at 2,000 subscribers. So she's just really humble to even want to do a collab with, you know, a smaller YouTuber like this. So I was just really appreciative of that. So if you are coming from her channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you subscribe before you leave. And yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into the video. Bye.